In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add the face milling toolpath to the bottom part. So one of the first things I need to do is move this insert arrow back up to this part. Now it doesn't tell me where in the sequence it has to be, so I'll leave it here after the contour. Sorry, the other thing I need to do is go to Levels, make Level 1 active and turn Level 100 off, and then back to Toolpaths. So now again, I want to choose the facing toolpath. Just going to choose this edge here and say OK. It's selected the entire contour. I'm going to go to Tool, into the library, into the filter, and this time I'm told to use a 2-inch face mill, so I'll change this to 2 inches. I'll say OK. I'll select the 2-inch face mill, say OK again, and I want to set the cutting speed once again to 400, the feed per tooth 7.5 thou. I've got rapid retract on. It doesn't tell me what the plunge rate should be, so I'm just going to set that to 15. I'll turn on my caps lock and add an appropriate comment. So I'm just going to say clean up the face. Well, let's make this a capital C. Sorry, it does tell me what the plunge rate is. It should be 15, so I've set it to 15. I'm always checking the assignment sheet to make sure I do this properly. And it says set the approach distance to 1 inch larger than the tool radius. So we'll do that next. We'll go to cut parameters. This time we're told to use the dynamic pass. So here's our approach distance. So this needs to be 1.1. I need to remove all the material, so I can't leave any stock on floors. I do need to turn on depth cuts because it says a final depth cut must be 25 thou. So I'm going to turn that on. Then I'll tell it to do one finish pass of 25 thou. Number of roughing passes doesn't matter. I'll go to the linking parameters, set these all to absolute. Top of the stock is correct. The depth will be 0. I'm going to go to the coolant. I'm going to turn the flood on, and I'm going to say OK. And that creates the facing toolpath for the bottom side. I'm just going to turn off the cut lines. I'll save my work, and in the next video I'll continue from there.